Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you watching this video in different time zones. If you're new to my channel, my name is Daniel. Welcome to Modern Art of Woodwork. Holidays are coming up and we're all thinking, probably searching for gift ideas for our loved ones, for family, for friends. In this video, I would like to share 5 gift ideas for a woodworker. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of the brands I will be showing. Stay tuned, let's get right into this. Gift idea number 1, Makita portable cordless router. Gift idea number 2, crack tool pocket hole jig. Crack tool, they have different models for pocket hole jigs, but this one is 720 Pro. It comes as a kit, it has different add-ons. My gift idea number 3, Miles Scrap drill guide. Gift idea number 4, good solid clamp. It doesn't have to be DeWalt, but it has to be good solid clamp for gluing. And gift idea number 5, apron. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any comments, if you have any ideas, feel free to leave them in the comment area down below. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe for more videos.